What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. If you are new here, voice don't want to let me be great. Yo, welcome back to my channel. It's Lavajxo here. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. But before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I do. So yes, y'all, I'm coming back to you again with another wig install video. So I also been ordered this wig like the other one. If you haven't watched that video, be sure to check that out. So yeah, so I have this 613 wig right here. It's just a short little bob that I ordered. I think it's from Amazon, but it's by Westkiss, and I heard great things about Westkiss hair. So yes, I have a black wig that I ordered from them too. So I will put that down in the description box below, just in case, you know, if you guys would like to purchase this. It's going to be like me just talking, just venting. All right, so how are you guys doing today? Whoa, I'm childish. All right, so like I said, I don't know which one I want to use. Put this little sucker on my head. How have you guys been? What have you guys been up to? I'm trying to get my life together, as we all are. You know, I have this little business that I'm going to sit down and actually talk about. I've already ordered my stuff and such, and in that sort. Just creating the life I want to live. Just trying to remain focused and driven and go after what it is I really want. And I'm not gonna let anybody stop me or get in my way, you know what I'm saying, for my happiness, for my peace, just like my overall energy. I'm just not letting, after I got COVID, no, before I got COVID, I had this job that I had started. So I would say a week before I found out I had COVID, I started this new job. So yeah, I started a new job a week before I found out I had COVID. And I'm like, okay, well, once I get over this COVID, you know, I'm gonna be on the money train. Now, like I said, I have this business that I also had planned on doing, but COVID came and interrupted a lot of things. So it kind of like set me back, which is okay. And I sent them my stuff, you know, of course you gotta send them your stuff when you got COVID. So boom, they was like, I think it's like 10 or 14 days you have to be quarantined. Okay, cool. So the next day, I was like, I reached out to my supervisor. So I was like, hey, you know, like, will I be getting paid for the days I'm missing due to COVID? I reached out to another supervisor and was just trying to figure out what the fuck do I need to do, you know, because I need to get paid. I have bills and stuff that's fucking piling up. And he told me to contact the first person that I contacted, and I'm like, they not responding back in a timely manner. Like, you know, I'm trying to work. Y'all hired me, so I'm trying to work and get my fucking paycheck. Y'all around here playing. But I thought I was gonna be getting paid since I was out for COVID. So, and I told him, I was like, I have bills that I have to pay, this, that, and the third, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need my money. It took him forever, y'all, to respond back to me. So you told me to call you. I called, you know what I'm saying? Then you said, well, hey, I'm gonna get back with you. I'm gonna call you by the end of the day. I'm gonna call you by the end of the day to let you know, what the play is, pretty much. Nothing. I text the other man, told him the same thing. He didn't say shit back to me or none of that. Which I probably should have already knew that, because when I've been texting about this whole shit been going on, he ain't been saying nothing except for that one time when he told me to contact the first person. Now at this point, y'all playing with my money. You know, like, I ain't get paid yet. I got stuff that's due. I'm really not freaking out, because, you know, God will make a way. So I wasn't even like pressed on that, but it's just a simple fact. Like in the future, I'm trying to do things. I'm trying to make certain moves, and I need some money to do so. So, yeah. After that point, I just kind of like stopped checking the work phone, cause yeah. So you text me and was like, "Hey, can you please meet me?" What he said? Can I please meet him at the facility? I think, or some shit like that. And I'm like, it took for me to reach out to another suit for you to get back with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't like stuff like that, and I just don't like the whole vibe and how they operating. Like, I just don't like it. But yeah, that's what I've been dealing with, trying to get, pretty much at this point, trying to get fucking back pay, because y'all owe me. I reached out to HR. I said, fuck it, I'm just gonna reach out to HR my damn self. Will I get paid? Like, am I qualified to get paid? Like, I know I just started and I really ain't, you know what I'm saying, been there that long, but I'm sorry, I got fucking COVID the week after I started. I do not like working for other motherfuckers. This is the reason why. Like, but that's why I'm setting myself up to work for my damn self. But like I say, I have a whole business that I'm going to discuss with y'all in another type of video, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to show y'all all the products and this, that, and the third. But yeah, like, I'm really excited about that. And of course, still on here doing YouTube with you guys. Well, talking to you guys. So anyway, so yeah, that's what I've been up to and going through. Yeah, so my camera about to cut off. I don't know why. But I was like, Lord, like, is this a sign you showing me? Like, you know, like, I'm all for the signs. So, you know, that's why I really want, you know, like, really tripping on it. But I was still making sure I was doing my part. I've been informing y'all with what's been going on with my life and what I got going on. Y'all, on the other hand, y'all not communicating with me. Then, so now we have a problem. But yeah, so it is what it is. But just know, I have a plan.
Nigga trying to survive out here, man.
I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna do something. Yeah, I take matters into my own hands. I tried to be nice, you know. I tried to come to y'all cool, calm, and collected. But no, that's why I had to text him and be like, hey, like, I got shit I gotta pay for. Like, don't play with me. Y'all got y'all fucking paycheck. You know, feel like they being mistreated, or, you know, just people just not giving a fuck. Then that make them not want to work for the company, or even let alone come into work. Like, who wants to deal with that? Want to come to work stressing? And sometimes people come to work to get away. You know, they be like their outlet, but sure, with all of that going on, it ain't gonna be no outlet. Y'all, we are almost done with the year. Like, it went really quick. This the problem I have when I be cutting my ears. How did I cut it last time? What I was saying? All right, y'all. So I accidentally cut some of the shit off. This is woo. That's why it takes practice, you know. I can't wait till I become like a pro at this. Okay, so I cut the lace pretty damn good, y'all. So, do you guys like the backdrop? Your girl just been trying to hang in there and make life what it is. Just trying to, you know, make it my best. I kind of made it look like the roots are like that brown tint. I did not mean to do that. I need to name my wigs. I brought me some clips too this time. I might as well just make these roots dark and just get that stuff that everybody else be getting.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take this all the way down, because honestly it's tight as fuck on my head. Like,
hey, no, this reminds me of oh white Chit. But yeah, you guys, so this is not really the final product. I feel like a bad bitch. Alright, y'all, after 18 years, y'all, hey, y'all remember Benji Brown on YouTube? Y'all remember that video long time ago when he was like, I hope I don't look uneven? That's how I feel about these damn baby hair. This is a struggle for me. Like, what the? So I'm a lefty, so you already know my hand coordination be a little flicked when it comes to certain things, especially if I'm at at a weird angle, like so. Like, look at this.
And I feel like I cut too fucking much again.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, so I guess they laid down. Let's take these clips out. I don't know, I look, you want to curl it a little bit.
Clip. My head done took my head done cleaned up. Oh, that one curled. Okay, let's do it this way. Ooh, look at it! Candy curl.
Yeah, like that. So I'm finna curl this, y'all, and I guess I'll be back when I'm done. I'm finna go to prom. Alright, you guys, I am done. I just threw on some lashes to kind of like look like somebody. Now I'm putting on some glow. Y'all tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it. I need to name her. I just don't know what. I was trying to make sure I at least try to curl the back, although the back is like short. So I curled it to the best of my ability. This is the final product. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I do upload. And on that note, I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace. I don't know why my hands is up. And we're done. All right, y'all, I'm out. Peace.